Ryan Colcord, realtor here with Marples and Associates. I'm also the showing agent for Marples Property Management. If you're looking to purchase a home, click on the link below to register for our homeowner workshop goals class. Totally free. We'll send a Zoom link to you as well once you register. I am here now at 1778 Ruth Drive in Pleasant Hill. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home. Good sized lot here. Great location. Just walk in. It's got a galleyway kitchen. Garage in here. And then this is just a nice size yard here. Again, lots of space. Tenant has just moved out. He has got a bed bunk here he's picking up. You got bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. And then bedroom 3. And then you got your bath. There you have it, 1778 Ruth Drive, Pleasant Hill. This is all about location and lot space.